At Indra Group, we are building a strong and competitive industry with comprehensive capabilities at the highest technological level. With determination and speed, we are expanding our industrial footprint and incorporating new production and engineering centers. In Asturias, we have consolidated our presence with the transformation of new facilities in Gijón for the manufacturing and modernization of next-generation military land vehicles. We have launched a new center in Córdoba, which will be a benchmark in innovation and advanced reindustrialization, and from which we are already producing radars and critical defense systems. Our industrial commitment extends to the United States with our new center in Kansas, which has already begun manufacturing communication systems and will soon add the production of air traffic surveillance systems. These are some examples of how we are moving forward, successfully and without pause, in our industrial growth plan, and how, with commitment and in record time, we turn challenges into realities. Nothing stops us. Indra Group.